Resense Rollover Car Wash Machine CF-360 is an intelligent, reversible car washing machine that can be operated without human supervision. It is equipped with an intelligent collision avoidance system, a 3-layer collision protection system, and copying air drying system. It can be connected to Resense's self-service system or third-party self-service system to meet your various intelligent needs, such as unmanned operation and remote management. With outstanding performance and comprehensive functions, it has been highly appreciated by customers at home and abroad.